I have to do that.
It's on.
Just hold it? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Hold it and wait.
Little man just got snow down Mom's shirt, so she's going to get him right now. She's going to get him back. Get him, Mama.
Don't take a picture of my butt.
I'm not. I'm not.
I better run. I better run. Oh no. This is bad.
I got double barrel.
Very bad.
I can't run.
Get him while he's down, Mom. Get him while he's down.
You missed both. You missed. Still missed.
Alright, I give up. I have too much snow on my tennis shoes.
Josie, you would lose.
I didn't do it.
That came out of the sky. Did you see it? Did you see it come out of the sky? Not in the face, buddy. Not in the face.
Alright, that's enough.
I don't have my glasses on.
Sorry.
Hands are cold.
Now, how do you pause this?
Isaiah,
Good.
look how close the clouds are.
Cool. I guess it's just gonna snow from the sky.